So in this lab we are going to discuss about the capture the network traffic. How to capture the network traffic. So first I am going to use a simple command of the nmap, and all of you know I am just telling you nmap is a software which is actually used for the live host and checking the open ports on the target machine. So my target machine is a 10. So my target machine is a 10.1.16.12, and I will write file in a nmap.txt. Okay, and once I will hit enter, so it will scan this particular IP address, this host, and then save into the file. So once I will check here the ls command, you can see here the nmap.txt file has been stored and saved over the in this folder, in a home folder. Okay, so if I want to check this file, I can use the cat command and then use the nmap.txt file name and hit enter. So you can see the how many ports are open on the target machine.
Sir, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, sir.
4. So which one open? SSH is open, STTP is open,
Yes, sir.
and
TCP. Sir, two ports are TCP, sir.
actually 4 ports belongs to be TCP, and running the services is there: SS service, HTTP service, RPC bind, and UPnP. Okay, so I have done this now. Because as you know, I have seen there is a HTTP running on the target machine. So HTTP is running, that is means I can access this by using my browser. Firefox, open the Firefox and access this IP address from the browser. Because that is the meaning, like HTTP running, it means there must be a website on the target machine. So let me check.
Yes, sir. Apache Blue.
So this is the Apache test hat. Okay, so now I am going to dump that particular target or the data. How I can dump the data? Dump means capture the data. So two software I have told you. One software is a,
What, sir?
another is a
TCP dump.
TCP dump. So here I am using the TCP dump, and -I is a in Ethernet. So how do I know what is the Ethernet or what is the port number or what is the interface I need to connect with? So ifconfig does not exist. So IPADDR.
Sudo if config, sir.
So there is a one port is a ETH0, another is a ETH1, and 10 network I have the configured on the ETH0. Okay, so what I will capture? I will capture the data, sudo TCP dump, and -I interface name is a ETH0 because this is the internet, and using the -VV for the verbosely to, and using some filter like destination, DST, destination. So destination is a, what is the destination? Destination is a 10.1.1.6, right?
16.12, sir.
Yeah.
1.16.12.
So I will use the 10.1.16.12. Okay, destination is A and the port is HTTP. We can capture the data on other port also, but I am capturing the data on the port number HTTP. Okay, Now if I will run this, it will be run smoothly. But if I want to write in a file, so I can write in a http.txt. -w command is used to write the data. So it is asking for the password, so entering the password. Now it is start the listening. So whatever I will do, if I am going to open the new terminal, the new tab, and in a new tab I am going to ping that particular IP address like 10.1.16.12. so it is pinging, means data is going and data is coming, but there is a not a data is capturing. Reason? Because I am capturing the HTTP traffic only. Okay, so I am going to stop this one and I am using the wget command, wget. And all of you know about the wget command. This is the command to download data 10.16.12 and slash the index.html. Okay, so what it will do, it will download the HTML file. Once it will be download the HTML file, so let me check if there is anything or not. So once I will do these things, now I am going to refresh. You can refresh this page. If you want to refresh, then traffic will go out and go in. Okay, so I am going to refresh this page. So refreshing this page means the connection or the communication happened by using the Firefox or the HTTP. Also we have used the wget here, so it will capture the data. So what is the data is captured? I am going to stop this one by using the Control C. Now you can see the total packets has been received, the 14 packet has been received. Okay, so now the time is reading the data from the TCP dump by using the TCP dump from the file. What is the file now? You can see here the file is a http.txt. Previously file this nmap.txt. Okay, so opening this http.txt, we can use the sudo, then TCP dump and reading the data by using the -r option and then give the file name here. So it will open the file and it will display all the data which is actually captured using this file. So first time it is sending, the request is sending from the destination source IP address 10.1.16.192 and the port number is 57542 and the destination is this. Okay, again I have downloaded this file index.html. Now the request is as a get request generated from this and here is the size. We can use the Wireshark also. If we want to use the Wireshark, of course we can use.